Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, donde quiera que te encuentres, criatura habitante de esta aldea global. En el video del día de hoy, los Modal Verbs. Naturalmente debes quedarte hasta el final para que aprendas todos los tips y cómo se utilizan. Agregándosele a cualquier verbo, entonces expresamos necesidad, posibilidad o habilidad. Yo soy Antonio y te doy la bienvenida a este canal. Considera regalarme un like, compartirlo con todo el mundo y abajo en la caja de comentarios dejarme cuándo o a qué horas te sería mejor recibir los videos. ¿Estás lista? ¿Estás listo para aprender? Vamos a hacerlo.
Modal helping verbs modify the main verb by adding necessity or possibility. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use can, could, may, might, must, should, will, won't, and would. Use can and could to express ability and possibility. I can swim means I have the ability to swim. We could go to the movies means it's possible for us to go to the movies. You can also use them in the negative form to express no ability or no possibility. You can't enter the restricted area. This means it's not possible. He tried to call me, but he couldn't get through. Couldn't means it wasn't possible. Use may and might to express the idea of maybe. We might go camping depending on the weather. This means if the weather is good, we will go, and if the weather is not good, we won't go. I may go to the gym if I can get off work early. Again, it's not a certainty, but maybe I will go, depending on my work. Use should to give a recommendation or suggestion. If your head hurts, you should go to the doctor. This means I suggest that you go to the doctor. He should see that movie. He'd like it. This means I recommend that he sees the movie because I think he would enjoy it. Use must to express necessity. That means something is required. You must arrive on time for the exam, otherwise they won't let you take it. It means it is necessary to arrive on time. In spoken English, it's much more common to use need to and have to for requirements instead of must. You can also say, you gotta arrive on time, but this is very informal and is used in spoken English only. Gotta is never used in written English. Use will and won't to express certainty about the future. I'll help you write the report means I promise to help you write the report. That software won't work. It's not compatible with the computer. This means I am certain that the software will not work. Finally, use would to express an imaginary situation. If I were a millionaire, I would give a lot of money away. Dana would study English if she had more free time. Both of these situations, being a millionaire and having more free time, are imaginary. They are not real, so we use would to describe what would happen in this imaginary situation. In spoken English, we normally shorten the word would. If I were a millionaire, I'd give a lot of money away. She'd study English if she had more free time. When asking a question using a modal helping verb, the word order changes. I can swim is the statement. But when asking a question, the modal verb comes before the subject. Can you swim? Here's an example with could. Could we go to the movies? The modal verb could comes before the subject, we, and in the answer, it's reversed. Yes, we could. You should see that movie. Should I see that movie? I would give money away. What would you do? In questions, always put the modal helping verb before the subject.